Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Basic. First, you need to download the game from your preferred app store, which is usually a quick process taking only a few minutes. Once installed, choose a game mode like Classic or Arena and jump right into the battleground. Getting comfortable with basic movement and aiming controls is your initial step, allowing you to react quickly to your surroundings and any approaching threats. When you land, prioritize finding essential gear immediately. Look for a powerful weapon, sturdy armor like a level 3 vest, and plenty of healing items such as first aid kits. Efficiently manage your backpack space. Only keep what you truly need. Remember, quick looting keeps you safe, so grab your essentials and move on quickly before enemies spot you. Mastering combat starts with your aim. Spend a few minutes adjusting sensitivity settings in the training grounds until it feels just right. Always use cover during firefights, like a large rock or building, to protect yourself from incoming enemy fire. Learning to switch between automatic and single-shot firing modes for different situations will give you a significant tactical edge, helping you conserve ammunition or deliver rapid damage. Always keep a close eye on your minimap for the shrinking safe zone, which will push you towards other players. Plan your rotations early to avoid taking damage from the blue zone and to gain a strategic position. Utilizing vehicles, like a two-wheeled motorcycle or a four-door sedan, for faster movement across long distances is crucial for keeping up with the play area and escaping dangerous situations swiftly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.